Matching headings is a common question type in the Ielts reading test, where you are given a list of headings or subheadings and asked to match them to paragraphs or sections in the reading passage. Here's a strategy to help you tackle this question type effectively. 1. Preview the text. Before you start reading the passage, quickly skim through it to get a general idea of the content. Look for keywords, phrases, and the overall structure of the text. Pay attention to any bolded or italicized words as they may provide clues about the main topics in each section. 2. Read the headings. Read the list of headings or subheadings provided for the questions. These headings often summarize the main idea of each section. 3. Start with the first paragraph. Begin reading the first paragraph of the passage carefully. Try to identify the main topic or idea in this paragraph. This will often be closely related to one of the headings in your list. 4. Elimination. Compare the main idea of the first paragraph with the list of headings. Eliminate any headings that do not match the content of the paragraph. It's important to read the entire paragraph before making a decision because sometimes the main idea is not immediately obvious. 5. Use synonyms and paraphrasing. Keep in mind that the headings may not match the wording of the text exactly. They could be synonyms or paraphrases of the main idea. Look for words or phrases in the passage that are similar in meaning to the headings. 6. Repeat the process. Continue this process for each paragraph or section of the passage. As you move through the text, cross out headings that you have already used. This will help you keep track of which headings are still possible matches. 7. Process of elimination. As you match headings to paragraphs, you may be left with only one or two headings that seem to fit the remaining sections. If you are uncertain about a match, come back to it later if time allows. 8. Be cautious with tricky questions. Sometimes, the Ielts test may include headings that seem to fit but are intentionally designed to mislead you. Be cautious and ensure that the heading you choose accurately represents the main idea of the section. 9. Check for consistency. After you have matched all the headings, take a moment to review your answers. Ensure that the headings make logical sense in relation to the content of each section and that they follow a coherent order if applicable. 10. Practice. Like any other skill, practice is crucial. Use Ielts practice materials and timed practice tests to improve your ability to match headings effectively. Remember to manage your time wisely during the Ielts reading test, as you have limited time to complete the questions. If you encounter a particularly difficult heading matching question, don't dwell on it for too long. Move on to the next question and come back to it later if needed.